you doing, baby? Hmm? Hmm? Feet sticking out. Yeah, look at his little feet sticking out there. Hey, there you are. There's that little baby. There's that little baby. Look how tiny little she is. You spoke Mama up again, huh? Yes, you did. That's alright. Look at their little feet. You took the cover off your feet. Mama had them all covered up. Didn't you? Yeah. Yeah. You're a pretty little girl. She's a sweetheart. She's such a little sweetheart. Your little feetsies are cold. Yeah. You kicked the covers off of them? What do you do kicking covers off your feet, huh? Was it your way you had to move your feet around? Hmm? Good girl. There's that pretty girl. Yes. Her mama's sweetheart. Yeah. What you doing, huh? What you doing, huh? Look at little eyes. There's some eyes Mama loves. Yeah. There's some eyes Mama loves. Yeah. That's funny looking, strange looking eyes. It's cute. Mama loves them. Yeah.